Hello everyone, I'm Kisha Lumabong and we are the group 4. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you about the Cartesian plane and what are the definition of it. Let's start. First, what is Cartesian plane? A Cartesian plane is a two-dimensional coordinate plane formed by the intersection of two perpendicular lines. The horizontal line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis. Here's the example of Cartesian plane. Axis. In the Cartesian plane, there are two axes. One is the horizontal axis called the x-axis, and the other is a vertical axis which is called the y-axis. Origin. In the Cartesian plane, the point at which the x-axis and y-axis intersects is called the origin. In the Cartesian plane, the origin is represented by an ordered pair or the Cartesian coordinate 0 and 0.
Hey, I'm Brel. I'm going to talk about how to find distance of 2 points. So first, we have here the given of R01 and S06. And we're going to use the formula of D equals to x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 squared. So here, we're going to rewrite it using our formula. So we have here 0 minus 0 squared plus 6 minus 1 squared. So first, we're going to subtract the first number we have. 0 minus 0 is obviously 0, plus 6 minus 1 is obviously 5. So we're going to rewrite here. So we come up with 0 squared plus 5 squared. So we're going to cancel out the 0 because our 0 is not valuable now. So 5 squared is equal to 25. We're going to square root the 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So the answer is 5. So we already find the distance. So we're already done with finding the distance. Now we're going to write it in Cartesian plane. So first, in our given, we have 0 and 1. And secondly, we have 0 and 6. And our distance that we have or got earlier is 5. So here, we're done with the finding distance. Hope you learned something.
Hello everyone, my name is Elmira Michelle Igimo, and today I'll be discussing how to find the standard form of the equation of a circle. Okay, so if the center is not placed at the origin, then we use this formula. And if the center is in the origin, which is the center of the graph, we use this formula. If the origin is in the center, then the x-coordinate and y-coordinate will be 0. That's why this is the formula and this is the formula in the other one. Okay, for example, find the equation of a circle with center at 2 and 7 and radius of 6. So we use this formula because we need to find the center of the circle. The value of 2 is h and the value of 7 is k. Then we substitute it. Parentheses x 2 plus y minus 7 equals 6, 2. Why do we have 2 here? It's because Radius have the exponent of 2. That's why we put it in 6 here. Then simplify 6 squared. Then we have x minus 2 plus y minus 7 equals 36. Then this is the answer. If we put it in a graph, say we have here the graph. Then this is the answer. 2, negative 2, here, negative 2, then negative 7. Negative 2 to negative 7. Then we have our graph. Then count the distance. And if the distance is 6, then you have your answer. And for example for this formula is, find the equation of a circle with center at the origin and a radius on 4 units. As you can see, we don't have any equation like this, because all coordinates like this will be 0. That's why we only have the 4 units. Then we have our formula, x squared plus y squared equals radius squared. Then we substitute x2 plus y2 equals to 4 squared. Then simplify it, is equals to 16. And this is your answer.